Hey kindergartners, today is Wednesday, which is day 3 of your week 4 packet. We are almost done with our books, which is really exciting. You guys should be ready to celebrate because this is a super exciting time. So today what we are working on is our table of contents. Okay, so here's what you need. You need all the pages that you've been working on. So remember I have 4. And then you need this page right here. It's titled Table of Contents. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take each page, and you see that line on the top? You're going to be titling your page based on what's on that page. So I'm not going to just title this page Mermaid because it has nothing to do with mermaids. I need to title it something that it has to do with. So this page has to do with, to be a kindergartner, you have to know how to sit at the carpet, right? So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to title it Sitting at the Carpet. But before I do that, I'm going to number my pages on the right top hand corner. So this is going to be page 1. And you see how I write it nice and big? Before I title it, I'm going to go through and do that. I almost got ahead of myself, but then I remembered I had to do that. Page 2, you see that right at the top hand corner. Page 3 and page 4. And now I haven't colored my pictures yet, but that's okay. Okay, so now that my pages are numbered, now I'm going to title my pages. So this page is about sitting at the carpet. So that's what I'm going to title my page. I'm going to title it, and a title always has every word, the first letter is capitalized. So sitting, that S is going to be a capital. Ready? So that is a big S. But the next letter is not going to be a big S. It's going to be a lowercase s. Ready? Or a lowercase letter. Sitting at finger spaces. And I might have written too big, carpet, and that's going to be uppercase too. I got it to fit. Sitting at the carpet for page 1. Now for the next page, this one is all about sitting at the table, so I'm going to write that. Sitting, capital, sitting at the, don't forget your finger spaces, All right, I've titled my second page. I'm going to keep going through and title these pretty quickly so you guys know what to do, so you don't just have to watch me title the pages. So I'm going to do this. This page is about standing in line. So I'm going to title it that. Remember, capital for title. Ing. Mr. Ing. Mr. I-N-G. Finger space in. Finger space I, and that has that bossy E at the end. So standing in line. Now my last page is, it's all about the quiet zone. So I'm just going to label it quiet zone. Quiet zone. Okay. Now I have every page titled and numbered, right? So now what I have to do is I'm going to put these pages back in order. So the page that's on top is page number 1. And I'm going to come over here to my table of contents. Now you'll see a long line and a short line. The short line is for the page number. So my reader knows, if I need to know what to do for the quiet zone, they could just flip right to that page instead of having to flip through the whole book. So I'm going to start with page 1, sitting at the carpet. Now in the little line goes the number. I know because it tells me right here that is page 1. And then I'm going to write with my very best handwriting, sitting at, and I'm writing the exact same title that's right here on this first line. The carpet, like so. I know that page 1, so if I need to know how to sit at the carpet, I go to page 1, which means now what comes next? Page 2, sitting at the table. Sitting, and I can just copy exactly what I already wrote. Sitting. Parents, you might need to kind of help with this because this is kind of a new concept. Sitting at the table. So I know if I need to learn about sitting at the table, I go straight to page 2. Now I'm on to page what? What page am I on to? Page 3. Standing in line. Standing in line. And you guessed it, what's coming next? Page 4, which is the quiet zone. Now, my table of contents is made. My pages are numbered. My pages are titled. So they're all about what it has to do with that page. Now I'm going to put this on top. I'm going to put this away in a safe spot until tomorrow, because today I am done. So you guys, that's what you're working on today. Parents, you might need to help with it because it is a little bit more difficult. But otherwise, work hard. Get your table of contents done today. Tomorrow we're working on our title page. And Friday we get to celebrate our book. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you later.